Good morning from another day in Antarctica. It's a beautiful sunny day and we're about to hop in the Zodiacs for another ride to go check out a penguin colony that's right about there. So whenever people go to shore from the cruise ship, they go in waves based on groups that are named by each of the explorers. So we are in the Shackleton group, which means today we are the last group going aboard, but it's pretty cool because you get to see all the different boats heading out. It can get so windy and so cold out here. Woo! It's freezing.
We have a lot of waves and wind this morning, so loading the Zodiacs is kind of like an extreme sport. Just watching people getting soaked, waiting for our turn to load.
It is so windy, but this place is beautiful. Antarctica is so wild. It's crazy. Everything is massive. You see that speck? All the way here? That's a person. Those mountains are huge. Yesterday when we were shooting in the snow on the second outing, Michelle might have broken her long range lens. TBD.
Thought my camera lens was broken, but it was just some settings got tripped yesterday with all of the like cold and snow and ice, and the photography guide helped me, and now it's working. These are the Gentoo penguins. They're the biggest of the small penguins. They're in their breeding and like nesting season, so there's no babies, and they're just getting ready for the winter. Summer.
Feels like winter.
Yeah, it's winter hot.
We think these penguins made their nests and then got buried by the wind and snow. They're still hanging in there. Isn't that crazy? We're not entirely sure where the penguins think they're going whenever they go for their walks. Maybe they're going to visit a friend. Yesterday was all about the snow and the waves. The day before was like a beautiful sunny day. Today, it's all about the wind.